Well, hello there, lovely people. We are here, Chai Guys Bakehouse, and I'm with the lovely Gabriel, one of the co-founders, who is going to show us around today. If you don't know, Chai Guys Bakehouse is on London's very famous Portobello Road. Nice quiet Monday here, but guys, if you're coming at the weekend, you better be ready. This place gets crazy. We're going to eat some stuff. We're going to make some things.
That's the plan. We're going to make some things, we're going to eat some things, and we're also going to drink a lovely warming cup of chai. So
let's do it.
Outside, let's go.
I can already smell it. So here we are inside Chai Guys Bakehouse, and the smell of chai and all those lovely spices is absolutely like enveloping my entire being. It smells incredible in here. So obviously chai is the thing, but what can people expect to find here at this particular branch? Because this is your only bakehouse, right?
Only bakehouse. So essentially, we are a fusion bakery. We take inspiration from quite a few culinary cultures, and a lot of these pastries have a mix of chai spices in them. One of my personal favorite ones is actually this masala pan suisse. It's got a chai custard in it, chocolate, and then it's got a lovely caramelized top. Another really cool one, which I actually thought would go viral, but never has, is this one. It's called the samosan. So it's a mixture of...
I've tried it.
You tried that? Okay.
Yes.
Was it good?
It was amazing,
Okay,
and it should go viral. The samosan.
That's a savory one. So that one's got a spiced and warming samosa filling that you would expect from a samosa, mixed with the layers and butteriness and crispiness of a baked croissant dough.
I actually can't wait to show you guys that at the end, because I'm definitely going to get one of those. And the last time I had one when I was here, chef's kiss.
It's a spicy one. It's a spicy one. You're going to feel that one in your entire body essentially when you have it.
All this chat about this samosan making me hungry. You guys are here for the sweet stuff, right? So we are going to be focusing today on the cardamom bun. I'm going to see how it's made.
It somewhat inspired this whole concept. There was a bakery in Denmark and the US called La Cabra. Shout out to them. They make an incredible cardamom bun. It's pillowy, it's soft, it's got the right level of sweetness, and I thought, I want to do something like this, put my own spin on it, and just enhance it. I mean, I could not claim to have perfected it. It's the guys in the kitchen who make it what it is, but it looks simple, but there's a lot that goes behind, that thing. And we're gonna go take a look at all the different steps.
I'm excited.
Makes it what it is.
Get me an apron. Let's go. Hang on, guys. Massive part of the picture here that we're walking past, and that is the chai of the Chai Guys.
Yep, the chai.
Why chai?
This country deserves a place that does it like true to authenticity. My co-founder and I actually both have Indian roots. I grew up in Delhi. He's from Leicester, but his family's from India. And both of us were working in the city, and we couldn't get a truly authentic chai on our way to work. The whole concept was about basically bringing the best of chai from India to London, and just doing it in the right way, respecting the process, respecting like the ingredients, using the best ingredients that we could get, and just providing an alternative to coffee, essentially.
Is this 4 different kinds of chai, or is it just because you need a load of chai because everyone's drinking it?
4 different kinds, 4 different kinds. So we've got some that are more spiced and warming. So our masala has like fresh ginger, pepper. You feel that one in the back of your throat. For me, that's a daily drinker. Then we have one that's a little bit more sweet, and then we have one with oat milk, which is similar to the masala one, so a bit more spiced. And then we have one that's actually savory and salty. That's a bit of a wild card one. It's definitely not the most popular one, and it makes people make faces when they try it. If you like it, you love it.
Yeah,
it's one of
like
those
Marmite.
Yeah.
I'm very excited about having a chai. I will try that later, but first of all, let's get bunning.
Baked goods?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, we're here in the open kitchen. I don't know if you noticed, but the bakery has an open kitchen. So if you're nosy like me, you can get up to that window and be like, what are they doing in there? This is Clothilde. Hi. She runs this side of things. She's going to show me the process of making one of these famous, delicious, fluffy, pillow soft cardamom buns.
The dough is a bit special because we use a Japanese technique. So it's Japanese milk bread dough, and we make it with something called the tanzon. And it allows the dough to stay really soft and a bit more flexible, and then the buns, you'll see later, they stay soft longer. I mix the dough, I let it rest overnight, so that it proves a bit. What makes it really nice as well is that we use our own cardamom to make the cardamom butter that goes inside. We use French butter.
Of course you do.
Of course. only the best. I'm French, that's why I'm saying
Oh, you
that.
hadn't noticed.
And so you just spread it around. So you take one side and then again. And then we twist. And now we take it down to the final thickness. So we cut again in the middle, like this. So you just take, stretch slightly, and then you're gonna go on the opposite side until you get something like this. So the important bit is that you make sure you tuck this bit in. It's gonna be the middle one.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's fully tucked in, and then you go around and you tuck the tail under, and there you have it.
Oh, you made it look so easy, but I'm sure I'm going to mess this
No,
up.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
I've never done this before, and I've often wondered how it happens, this kind of twist.
It looks more complicated than it actually is. I think it looks really cool when someone else is making it, and then actually it's very simple.
We've done some delightful shaping.
Yes.
These presumably have to have a second proof.
So these will go on the tray, and then I will put them on the prover. So the prover will be cold up until maybe a couple of hours before I come in. And then when I come in, they're usually ready to bake. So I egg wash, and then I put them in the oven for maybe 20 minutes, and then a bit of syrup at the end, and then they're ready to be enjoyed.
Wow, I've got my little spot on the bench outside. It is a bit on the chilly side, but that's okay because I've got a lovely warm cup of chai in my hands. And it is absolutely delish. We better start eating these because I've got a lot to get through and it is pretty cold. So I'm going to start with the cardamom bun. I'm going to just perch it on my knee here. They very kindly warmed it up for me, and if you want that too, you can get that. Goodness. Okay, so when you bite into this, you do get this like little crunch from the outside, mini crunch, but then inside, so soft, so pillowy. The cardamom flavour is so pure. Obviously, it's got butter and sugar in it, but it feels very unadulterated and very, very, I don't know, like true cardamom. I don't think I've really ever tasted cardamom quite like it. My favourite bit in any bun like this is the little chubby tum-tum, the bit in the middle. It's like a little belly button. We did start at the cardamom bun, but I feel like we should go back to savoury so that then we can have pudding afterwards. The aubergine, I think it was a kind of a bun squeeze, but not, but savoury. And it's got Comté cheese in it. Well, outside of it also, because I've got a delicious cheese skirt oozing out the side, so I'm just gonna nibble on that. I don't know about you, but the bit of cheese that escapes the toasty or the baked good is the best bit, because it's all sort of slightly burnt and caramelised and oh, did you hear that crunch? It's a little bit spicy, everybody. Friendly spice, let's say. Crispy, but very nice sort of stretchy laminated dough, and that filling getting warmer in my mouth. I like a slow build spice. That's delicious. And the other savoury item, which I don't know if you noticed, but at the beginning I was very excited about, and it is the soon to be viral samosant. The samosa with croissant dough. Right, genius. Oh my gosh, can you hear it crisping? This one has a bit more of a spicy hum to it than the other one. It's actually quite spicy, but still within my range, I think. Delicious, potatoey filling, beautiful colour. I love a samosa because the fillings are always really delicious, but the outside of them can be a bit heavy. And this is so light and flaky. It's just, I could probably eat about 4 of these. Maybe I will. Just come and get one. Right, we've had our savouries. It's definitely pudding time. Let's start somewhere familiar. I love a pain au chocolat. Delicious. Now, I don't know if you watched the last video I did of this, but I was surrounded by pigeons. Despite the fact that I'm making crumbs all over the pavement, I still haven't attracted any wildlife, apart from the odd local. There isn't too much chocolate in, which I like. This chocolate is so intense. It tastes like a single origin number. Like it's really tangy, really bright. And I think if you had more of it in there, you'd actually be a bit over, it would be a bit much. And this way, you can taste all the lovely croissant dough. I mean, this is definitely one you need to take yourself a little portable vacuum cleaner to tidy up after yourself. Ooh. Hello. That's a lot of curd. Passion fruit curd. So good, so buttery and so fragrant with that passion fruit. What an amazing texture. This is very passion fruity, which is great. Silky smooth. Which means you can stuff an entire Queen Amande with it and it is fine. One of the things that is the best about a Queen Amande is all that caramelization that goes on. Yeah, this is where the butter really shines because it's really super buttery, but it's also like almost caramelized and like that brown butter flavor. So it's enveloping this whole thing with this delicious like caramelized flavor, which is just completely delish.
I'm sold.
Yay!
I'm sold. I do whatever she was saying. Caramelizing flavor. I am sold.
Get yourself a passion fruit Queen Amande. That's what I'm saying.
I'm getting one right now.
Last but not least, masala pan suisse. Well, it is the last one. It's okay. I have actually got more in there, but I just thought this might be a bit overwhelming for you all if I ate it all on camera. The masala pan suisse with the masala custard inside and chocolate. It's so crispy on top. Oh, yeah. That's such a nice combination. Masala spices and the chocolate. That's really, really delicious. The pan suisses, it's not chock full of chock full of the pastry cream because it kind of bakes out a little bit, but actually you don't need that because the flavour is quite intense, and we do want to like celebrate the dough. Oh, this is just so good. Guys, I forgot the most important bit of advice I was given in the shop, which is to dip one of these delicious bakes into my chai. So it's a little bit on the lukewarm side, but I think we still get the idea. So here we go. Forget your giant croissant dipped in a cappuccino. That is for like people of yesteryears. This is what I'm talking about. A delicately spiced, perfectly put together pan suisse dumped in my masala chai. I mean, I feel quite chic right now. I have really, really enjoyed sharing this bakery with you. It's one of the places I came to last year and I just thought you would love this place. Please do come and visit. They do have a number of locations, but this is the only This is the only bakehouse and the only place you can get all of these delicious, beautiful pastries. Make sure you give them a follow on Instagram. Make sure you support them. Please help to make this blooming samosa viral, guys. Like, come here, get yourself one of those. Put it on your TikToks and your Instagrams. Please support this bakery because they're working so hard to do something different, and I really, really believe that they are achieving it. And I love this place. I do wish I had this at the end of my road. I'll be back soon, maybe with another bakery tour, maybe with a other thing. I think they call them recipes. So I will see you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Let me know if you've been here as well, and let me know if you're coming or you want to come. Start the chat. Love you guys. Bye. A bit more of this, I think. Oh, don't mind me. And then, just be quiet, will you? I'm trying to do a video. But this is really, I forgot what it's called. Oh my gosh. Just munching instant coffee, just necked it, just straight. Okay. Oh, it's flying away. Come back. You need to tell me if it's all around my face. I can't even speak, it's too cold. Everything is so loud. That was crispy. Oh, Nikki's getting covered in crumbs right now. Just blowing right at you. Right? The pigeons finally come. Hey dude, how's it going?